Hey there, my name is Thysia, and today I'm going to be telling you why mood boards are very important when planning your wedding. Because it saves time, it helps you concentrate, it helps you bring to life all your ideas that you want for the wedding and be able to share that ideas with other people. Secondly, it helps guide you through the process. It helps you be able to reveal to your vendors, to your family, everything you want, everything you have planned for your wedding. Number three, it helps you to be able to be progressive. So you know things that you want to do and things that you do not want to do. And if it's digital, you can easily take out those things that you don't want to do and leave those things that you want to do. Number four, it's very flexible. Like I said earlier, you can change, you can add, you can remove whatever thing you do not want and replace it with whatever you want. Last tip, mood boards help you make things easier. They just simplify the wedding process. You visit your mood board from time to time just to check what you have done and what you have not done and be able to think of better ways to do things. It's just a simple way of bringing all your fantasies into a board where everybody can share and see what you have all cooked up for your wedding. It makes things easier for your vendors as well, as they can be able to relate, design, and be able to, just be very flexible with working with you. I hope that tip helps you.
So here at TME Lox Weddings, we create amazing, easy to edit, customizable mood boards specifically for you. You can edit from beginning to end, incorporating everything that you want for your dream wedding. You can also let us edit it for you if that is what you would want. This mood board is available to purchase on our seller store. All you need to do is to go to the link in our bio and you'll be able to go to our seller store to purchase the mood board and every other guide that you will need to have an amazing wedding. Trust me, guys, you do not want to miss out on this one. I hope you get it. Ciao.